Twitch is a DJ controller with an onboard audio interface. It was developed with Serato and comes with their comprehensive itch DJ software. It's compact and tough with an aluminium top panel, but it's small and light enough to be fully portable. It fits perfectly in a laptop bag. As a MIDI controller, it also maps to other software. A 2 and 4 deck mapping will be available on the Novation website for Traktor. Twitch also comes with a Traktor overlay in the box. It will also work with Ableton Live. Select a track and drop it into deck A. I can use the Touchstrip to navigate to the bit of the track I want to get to and set it rolling. I can nudge the track forward using the Touchstrip, and I can nudge it backwards. If I hit swipe again, I can grab the track and move it backwards and forwards and select where I want to start from. By going into drop mode, I can drop the track into any part I want and set it rolling again. I'm going to drop another track into deck B, hit play, hit the sync button, and I'm ready to start a mix. Hot cues are cue points that you can set to jump to any point in your track. These can be saved with the song or set and removed as the track is playing. You can also set these up as one-shot triggers, like with these 808 samples. Slicer is totally unique to Twitch. It chops a track into sections so you can replay them in any order and create totally new breaks. The 8 trigger pads represent each slice as a sequence that you can reorder however you want as the track's playing. You can alter the length of the slices with the Touchstrip by pinching it. And you can use the Touchstrip to adjust the portion of the slice that's been played. Auto loop sets loops as you're playing. Each of the 8 pads sets a different loop length, which will keep the track looping around that point until you press it again. You can also adjust the loop length with the Touchstrip by using pinch actions, like you would on a touchscreen. Loops can be saved with tracks, so you can jump to any loop you want. Loop roll enables you to drop in loops while the track continues to roll underneath, so you can rejoin the track as it continues to play, rather than holding it in one place while the loop is engaged. The 8 trigger pads fire off different lengths. As with auto loop, the Touchstrip can be used to pinch the length of the loop. The Master Effects section gives you full control over the effects in Itch. You can select your effects, change the parameters, or assign them to one or both decks. You can also assign the effects to the external line inputs or the microphone input. As well as the master effects, each channel has an effects engine that you can use at the same time. This is the fader effects. This allows you to switch the channel fader to an effects control, which gives a completely different level of control over your effects. When you switch back to the channel volume, the fader will pick up where you left the level at, and this will be indicated on the LED strip. This is great for combining effects. I've got a high pass filter on my master, a phaser on deck A and Itch's repeater on deck B. Twitch has high-level low-noise main outputs on quarter-inch jacks and booth outs on phono jacks. It also has a powerful headphone amp with outputs on quarter-inch and mini jacks. There are aux inputs and a mic input that can both be routed through the software effects.